platform to put the jump turret. I made a little spot so that they get stuck as they're climbing up here. This is double blocked, so if I need to block them off fully, I can just lower it, but this prevents them from coming inside both ways. I'm probably going to get rid of one of these ladders just in case they do get up here. I can run up and get up here and get away from them. Probably get rid of this ladder, to be honest, and set up some sort of defenses here. I haven't fully figured that out yet. But this is, for the most part, how the base is going to be. We might do some more work on it tonight. I started digging some stuff out just to prevent them from jumping up here, really. But yeah, there's not really much else we can do with this. There's not really much else we can do without digging deeper in, and that's what I want to do ultimately is dig deep in, deep down, and make it more of a pit than anything, than like a watchtower. Yesterday, that's still broken, apparently. Yesterday, we were able to make our mini bike. So I got some food and some fuel in there. It's got some decent more amount of space. I'm gonna load up that space with some materials and things like that. Stuff we're not going to need. Specifically rock, which apparently we don't have a lot of anyway. Which is just weird to me. I don't know why we don't have rock. But we have some rock. We have some stone, which is good. I currently have my forging out all of the iron, and we're gonna get everything out because you need everything out in order to pick it up. And then we're gonna take all of our workstations with us, everything that we can take with us. I'm gonna leave the food here for now. We got some food on us and some food in the mini bike, I believe. Yeah, we got some food in the mini bike, and we got some food on us and some water on us. So I'm gonna leave that here, and we're gonna head back down to the desert, and try to make like a preliminary base down there. The idea right now is we're gonna leave all this cell stuff here for now. The idea right now is to just bring everything we're not gonna need by Horde. Maybe bring a lot of these, mostly the materials, and we'll slowly bring like medical supplies and things like that. So we're just gonna load up everything we've got, and put it in the storage, and then load up more and make our way in there, and then start setting up like a home, for us down there. We'll take all the cell stuff while we can, because we'll stop at the trader when we get down there. But I definitely want to, make my way to our new base first and drop stuff off. So yeah, this is our mini bike. It can go quite a bit faster. And we should get there in like less than an hour or something like that. I don't really remember. There's no marker on the screen yet, but we'll set up a land claim block when we get there. Set up some temporary storage before we start working on it. And yeah, today's going to be clearing out that home, and maybe trying to find some other additional POIs to lock down. But moving day will be day 16 if we survive that long. Let me just check the map and make sure I'm going the right way. Yeah, for the most part I am. So yeah, even with the mini bike, this still takes a while to get down here. And this is like I said, it's the catch-22 right now of coming down here to get the better loot, but having the harder Horde Knights, and harder Knights in general, because there's going to be more zombies around, because we're going to be in a higher tier area. But again, the loot is going to be better. And that's kind of what I'm looking for at this point, is just the better loot. We're just having really bad luck with loot. So the better loot is really what we need. But look at this, we're still quite a ways away. Oops. Hit the wrong way to go. There you are. And using high speed, we've used 25% of our fuel already, which means we're gonna need to worry about fuel, which means we're gonna need to worry about workstation books so that we can start making fuel, but also scavenging fuel. You come here. I don't need you. I don't need you being loud. Hey, Bob. I'm back.
I've got parts, tools, and wheels. You want vehicles or parts?
We'll sell one of these wire tools as well. We don't need all of it.
Thank you very much.
What jobs you got? What jobs you have? You got a fetch clear. Buried supplies infested clear. We'll do one of these fetch clears.
Are you looking for work? Well, that's better than
Mama's
a sharp
Pizza.
stick in the eye.
We're not going to go there right away. We're going to head to our new home first. But that'll just give us something to do a little bit later on. Remember, retrieve the supplies. Don't lose them. Don't forget them. So look at this. It took us 50% of our fuel to get down here. So we're going to need to keep an eye out for some fuel. Now again, that was me holding shift the whole time. And it still took us till 8 o'clock to get here. So we're going to need some fuel. I already picked that box. Or that truck up. Alright, let's go. Let's do this location. We're not going to really do much looting. We're just going to be doing killing for now. And then we'll do looting later. What are you doing in that closet? Thought I heard another zombie nearby. Oh, yep, there he is. He's having trouble getting up here. There we go. Alright, that loot we got a rifle bulk. We got some more legendary parts. Handyland. Medical journal. Nothing really too spectacular. Bandolier mod. I don't know if I can actually put that on anything. Not yet. So, there's a reason I didn't make new armor. I can make level 5 farmer gear. Or I could wait to be able to make level 6 farmer gear. And that's why I didn't make new armor at the moment. Because it actually, it just makes sense to hold off. So let's see. We're just gonna, this is gonna drive me nuts. So let's just get rid of this. Oh, I brought my hammer. I don't know why I brought my hammer. I don't know what I brought instead of my hammer. Or what I didn't bring in place of the hammer. I don't know. But there we go. That, and then we need a land claim. So it doesn't go all the way out. That's the same problem we had. But it covers the whole house at least. We'll figure it out. There shouldn't be respawns if you're so close to the area. So it should be fine. So this will be our new Horde home. Is this barn right here. And who knows, maybe we'll actually get lucky with some respawns with these pigs. But we're not going to worry too much about clearing this place out right now. We're just going to do a quick loot and check before heading off and doing our quest. We started our move. This is going to be our new base. Like I've said in an earlier episode of the series, this was actually going to be our original base. In the first series, in the first set of episodes we recorded before I died on like day 2. It was a fun play. It was chaotic for the first 2 days. But then I made a mistake. Oof. I ended up running through some spikes that were on the ground. Bow hunter's book. And that was it. That's what killed me. I ran through spikes that were on the ground. And we've got plenty of farmland, and we'll have to clean it out. And we'll have to grab some farm plots. Just store everything in here for now, and we'll worry about fortifying it when we actually move in. For now, we're good. For now, that's just all we need. because we are playing on a single player server, on a solo server. So we don't have to worry about actually fortifying something that we're not home at. Let's go do this mission. I don't have any boxes on me. I left them all back at the base. And I just realized I left everything in there too. Oops. Alright, we'll have to remember that. Mama's Pizza. Oh, this is this one. I've been here before. We have to head back home after this place. Because I still have all my gear. All my loot that I was trying to move down here. Oh wow, that was a ton of stuff. 2 medical books as well. Damn. I don't think peas can be used for anything. No, they can. So the one mod was for warming, and the other mod was for vehicle, or it was for gunlight. Some more club parts, sweet. Oh, this is a fetch and clear, so we gotta remember that. Fetch and clear. I should. Oh God. I should go back. Or not should, but I can't go back right now. Club and sniper rifles. Maybe we'll be able to make a good rifle by the end of today. We're getting a bunch of epic parts, which is what we're going to need to make our farmer level 6 armor. So that's actually working out for us. It's working out pretty good for us. Still on the lookout for armor parts, though, in case we need them. Tools book, nice. God, I'm loving the club. I'm loving this club. Oh my God, that one is feral. What else is around here? Oh shit. That sucks. What are you? Jesus. Where did you come from? I hate it. I hate it. Can I make a splint? So many zombies around. This is the joys of fighting in a city. Or living in a city. God. I forgot they could blow up. That was dumb. I would really like to deal with the zombies that are beating at things. Just don't know where they are, and I don't want to waste time. I've already wasted enough time as it is. That's... Fuck. Hell, are you kidding me with this? Oh my God. This has just been a nightmare. This has been a nightmare. Been an absolute nightmare. Oh, I don't have any healing supplies. That's what I don't have on me. Or food. I have food in the mini bike though, so that's fine. Oh my god. That was the absolute worst. There's just too many zombies around. Too many zombies around. Where's the ladder? Up. This game is totally a platformer. Are you kidding me? So here's a loot. It's nice. Main stash. Good. One first time. Oh boy. Oh boy. 2 tech, 2 wiring, and a sniper book I already have. Level 4. I don't need that speaker. We can just sell it. Get rid of those. Alright, still gotta find this damn box. Area's clear. Supply crate's up there. What? How am I supposed to get up there? I'm just using... Just gonna do that. I hate this so much. Why are the supplies all the way up here like this? Where are they at? Are you... Now there's like no button or anything to get out easily. Let's just get out of here. We got everything we need. This sucked. This sucked. Where's my mini bike? I hate not getting those. Let's stop by our new home, drop things off that we can, and then hand in his quest to the trader. Alright, we'll sort everything next time we're out here. Or out after we move out here. Then the first night we move out here, we'll sort everything. Let's go hand in his quest and hope we get some good rewards, because that was chaotic. That POI wouldn't have been as nuts if I didn't fall twice, sprain and break my leg. It wouldn't have been as bad. But that jump, I don't do good with jumps like that in most games, let alone a game like this, where, like, it is a little clunky when it comes to parkour. I did pick apart a few cars to get some fuel. I had to turn back 3 times because I kept forgetting to grab my money. Bob,
It's a hot one today. I bet
that place
your nose is
sucked.
so high in the air you could drown in a rainstorm.
I mean,
I'd be proud too. Good job.
I guess we'll just take the concrete mix. Any other jobs out here? You gotta fetch this pretty close and for us to clear. Let's check out that fetch. What mods do you got? Anything good? No. Nothing really necessary. And I think books might have just restocked. No. There's mini bikes on our way home. It's another ranger station. We only have 2 hours to do it. Oh, we've done this already. This is the one where we did... Oh, no, we haven't done this one. Let's see if we can do this in 2 hours. Or less. Don't be afraid to use ammo is all I gotta say to myself. You're outside. You're gonna be annoying. I'm sprinting, which is not helping me. Ooh, baseball bat and vehicle bulk. Oh my god. Stupid ladders. So retrieve the supplies quest. Okay. I don't like this. I love how you can tell what they are now because they're muffled. Two more armor books. We need 3 more of those. If we can get 3 more armor books, we can make the best armors. We don't have long. We gotta hurry up. We don't have long before night. We got a bow book. Miso soup, we can't do anything with. Yep, that's where the supplies are. Last time I did a mission like this was vanilla. And I got stuck up top. Making sure I'm fully reloaded. Do I have a repair kit on me? I don't. Of course. There's more parkour. Oh, shit. Where are you, bird? It was a, what's it called? An infested quest as well. That I got stuck. Armor, vehicle, and machine gunner. Vehicle, and the book I've already read. Oh my god. Another vehicle book. Rogue outfit. I'll take everything. Where is the... It's on the edge. On the edge. Glory. Alright, we don't have time to get back to Bob. And look at all this stuff that we've now gathered since. We'll just leave it all in the car. We're gonna get rid of the seeds. We don't really need the seeds right now. Alright. I'm gonna slowly make my way back home. And do a little bit more work on the Horde base. Since we have some concrete mix or some cement mix, I'll probably reinforce some spots with some cement. I don't know how much we need in order to get to the cement age. Probably not too much longer. But I'm also gonna need to keep an eye out for fuel. So I might need to take apart some cars. And I'm gonna drive slow. I'm gonna drive normal speed. I'm not gonna hold shift. I'm just gonna drive and see how long it takes. Honestly, it probably is still faster than taking the bike, but see how much fuel we use by not holding shift and seeing if it's more economic. But yeah, I'm just gonna go back and work on the Horde base and sort my inventory. Tomorrow is Horde, guys. Hopefully it works. If you like what you saw, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like button so the algorithm knows that people like you will like me too. Subscribe to the channel so you get updates and notifications when I go live and post new videos. And leave comments down below. Hints, tips, tricks. I respond to all comments back. Also, be sure to check out my other videos Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Be sure to also come hang out with me on live both on Twitch and here on YouTube on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, and whatever other random days I decide to go live. Thank you guys so much. Please be careful, be safe, don't do anything I wouldn't do, always hug your loved ones, and of course, like always, be sure to wear nice pair of socks. I'll see you all in the next one.